welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Tori, and today I have an update for the project A to Z, Beauty A to Z, Project Pan, created by the Fantastic Ladies Facebook group. As always, all relevant info will be listed in the description box down below, but let's just jump into it. I only have one thing that is rolling out for this update, of course. What's rolling out is for R, and for R I picked Lights Lacquer's Ruby Nail Polish as my rabbit bites some paper. My goal with this was to use it 10 times. Since the last update I used it 2, and that finished off its goal, and the goal was completed on July 17th. Very happy that this is done. I have a lot of nail polishes in project at the moment, so I need to start dwindling them down. But sadly that was the only thing that was finished this update. Some stuff has really good progress, so we'll just jump into it. This first one, however, was not used. For A, I picked Venus Aura. My goal is to hit pan in it, and I just haven't done it. I just haven't used this palette. It will get more use soon, but I just, out of sight, out of mind. Next, we're going to talk about all of my eyeshadows in my Revolutions Amethyst palette. Love this one. So we have Bear for B. Since the last update I used Bear 6 times. I have C for Champagne. I've used it 3 times since the last update. And then I for Imperial. I've used it twice since the last update. My goal is to finish all 3 of these. I don't know which one I'm going to finish off first. Which one do you think I'm going to finish off first? It's going to be fun. It definitely needs 1 or 2 more months to completely finish off everything, but I'm very content with the progress so far. Next, for D, from the Urban Decay Beach palette, I have the shade Daybreak. My goal is to hit pan in Daybreak. Since the last update, I haven't used it. Once again, this was another palette out of sight, out of mind. There's been a video that I've been needing to film with this, therefore I just haven't used it. Next, for F, I have the shade Factory from the Naked 3 palette. My goal is to hit pan on it. Since the last update, I only used it once. I need to start picking this one up. I really don't want to take this palette to school, but it's starting to look like I'm going to have to take this palette to school. Next, for H, I have the Mini Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby. My goal is to completely finish it. Since the last update, I only used it twice. I'm going to make this one of my everyday highlighters because it's the best time for me to wear it is right now. So the usage should be a lot greater in the next update for that highlighter. I was going to say that shadow. Next, from the ColourPop Zodiac palette, I have the shade Gemini. I think my goal is to hit pan in Gemini or completely use it up. I honestly can't remember. I've only used it once since the last update. I'm having a hard time reaching for golds again. I need to find a look where I really like them. I like them with greens, but I don't want to wear green all the time, so I'll see. Next, for J, from the Urban Decay and Jean-Michel Basquiat Face Gallery palette, I have the shade Jawbone. My goal is to, I think it's to use up Jawbone. Yeah. My goal, I've used it twice since the last update. I've been really bad at using this bronzer because my other bronzer has pan, so I'm more inclined to reach for that one. So I need to get my rotation back. I know I said that last month too, but I really still could not get it back this past month. Next, from the ColourPop Just My Luck palette, I have Kiss My Rush. My goal is to hit pan in it, but since the last update, I did not use it because I'm like greens, blues, and pink eyeshadow. I just don't want to touch at the moment. Can't get out the funk with that. Next, from the ColourPop Zodiac palette, I have Libra. My goal is to hit pan on Libra, and I've used it 3 times since the last update. This one is close. Out of the singles, I think I'm going to focus on this one the most. But yeah, that one is very close. I'm very happy with the progress on that one. Next, from ABH Riviera palette, for M, I'm focusing on Monte Carlo. My goal is to hit pan on Monte Carlo. Since the last update, I used it once. I will get more in use from this palette when I'm at school because this is going to be one of my most colorful palettes at school. So, excited for that. Next, for P, I have a Posh Spice. Since the last update, I only used it once. Not the best, not the worst. Seen better. It's whatever. Next, from Urban Decay, I have the eyeliner pencil in Starfire. My goal is to completely finish it. Since the last update, I used it twice. I don't think I'll finish this by the end of the year, but I'm just going to keep trying to use it up. Honestly, if I use it as an eyeshadow base, like I used another one, then I could probably use it up. But I have not tried that with this yet, so we'll see. If I remember to do that, then we might have some nice progress, but if I don't remember, nothing's gonna happen with it. Next, from the Urban Decay Increasingly palette, I have Tajin. I'm getting rid of the Franken I had of Tajin and another shade. So Tajin was only used once. My cat is now crying in the other room. She is fine. She just developed a habit of putting a toy in her mouth and crying at it like she killed it. It's cute, very loud, and she just does it any time of day. Yeah, she's fine. Next, ColourPop Honey palette. This has a usage goal. I haven't used it because it's also been hidden away. I really want this goal done before August. Let's see, what's the math for me? How many times did I have to use this? It has 18 more uses left to go. Could I finish 18 uses by August? That just completely broke. Oh my god. Fuck. I know I've been giving this palette attention, but like, damn. Okay, well, I'm gonna try to finish this video. I'll deal with that later. I don't even know if I want to repress it. Audacity. Anyway, would like to finish the 18 uses by the end of August. I'm gonna attempt that. If I fail, it's whatever, but I don't know, this project I've been slacking this year. I was slacking a little bit last year, but I feel like I'm really behind this year. But also there is a lot of eyeshadow in here, so it makes sense, but like, I need to pick up the pace. Next, I have two from my Too Faced warning you, Sparkling Pineapples palette. I have Island Queen. The goal is to use it 15 times. Since the last update, I haven't used it at all. And then I have Yum Yum. My goal is to finish Yum Yum, and I haven't used it either. I would like to finish the goal on this by the end of August, but honestly, I'm just going to probably not end up touching this and just bring it with me to school and get use out of that neutral palette while I'm at school. Next, I have hijinx. My goal is to use hijinx 20 times. Since the last update, I haven't used it. I believe it has 19 or 18 uses left to go. I didn't get a second rotation on this one for this video. I started rotating my lip products properly, and the one use that it got during that rotation was for the last update. So a little sad, but I'm not too concerned. Yeah, the smell's still there, so we're good. Then the last item is the Urban Decay eyeliner second to last item in Whiskey. My goal is to use it halfway up. I don't know why I never marked it. Since the last update, I only used it once. Eyeliner. I've been forgetting about top liner. I don't know why. The last item is Zested. I believe my goal is to hit pan in Zested. And since the last update, I used it twice. Not the best, not the worst. Would like more usage, but whatever. I have to go take care of that crumbled mess of an eyeshadow as my cat starts to meow again. I hope y'all aren't having a hectic day. And I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. Check out everyone else doing this project. Peace out, Girl Scout.